Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, we're gonna do a quick, straight to the point, short video on how to install the Cloudwheel Donuts. Let's get right to it. Oh yeah, and make sure you stay to the end of the video. We're gonna be doing a giveaway on some black Cloudwheels. So stay tuned till the end. Let's go.
Your Cloudwheel should arrive neatly packaged with all the hardware needed for this install. We opted to change the regular Cloudwheels first and then move on to the hub motor and the donuts. So let's start by removing the nut and the wheel on the skateboard. Don't worry about saving the bearing. We're going to use all new hardware that was provided with the Cloudwheels. In this box should be 4 bearings and 2 washers. Place the bearing and then the washer spacer and the wheel onto the truck. Then place the second bearing on the truck and make sure it sits all the way flush with the wheel. And then install the nut, but don't over tighten it. Finally, double check that everything spins okay and looks like it has good alignment. Let's move on to the donut install next on the hub motors. First, start by removing the 5 screws on the faceplate. Remove the faceplate so you have access to the sleeve, and then slide the sleeve straight out. Again, we'll be using the hardware that comes supplied with the Cloudwheel Donuts, starting with the 2 auxiliary screws that are longer in length. Place those inside the donut and line them up with the holes on the hub motor. Place the sleeve skin about 1/3 of the way onto the hub motor and hand tighten the screws into the hole. Once you have the auxiliary screws all lined up, go ahead and slide the sleeves into the appropriate position, sitting all the way flush with the hub motor. Now remove the 2 auxiliary screws. Now let's put the faceplate back on and make sure that the holes all line up. Now place the 5 screws that Cloudwheel provided. These are longer than the stock screws that come with your skateboard, so make sure you're using the new hardware. Finish tightening the rest of the screws with the Allen wrench provided. Finally, test your wheels again, make sure everything is aligned and straight.
Well, thanks for watching guys. If you made it this far, make sure to comment below. I'm gonna be picking a winner for a pair of black Cloudwheel Donuts that fit the Maxfind FF Street series electric skateboard. So comment below your email address, and within 30 days from the date that I posted this video, I'm gonna pick a winner and I'm gonna send you your Cloudwheels. Have a great week.